Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to reset Owlet Dream Sock. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. To reset the Owlet Dream Sock, follow this step. First of all, unplug the base station and remove the Dream Sock. Okay, and then guys, press and hold the Dream Sock base station button while plugging the base station back in, and then keep the pressing the button until you hear the Dream Sock base station emit chirps. Okay, and then press the dome of the base station 3 times to clear the Wi-Fi. Check the Wi-Fi light on the base station's bottom. Okay. So guys, the next step is if you need to unpair the sensor from the base station, follow this step. First of all, disconnect the base station to take off the Dream Sock and hold down the Dream Sock base station button while plugging the base station back in. Okay. Keep pressing the button until you hear the Dream Sock base station emit 4 chirps. Okay. If you are encountering Wi-Fi connectivity issue, ensure that your device is no longer connected to the OLED Wi-Fi network and has successfully connected to your home network. Okay. So guys, this is our all step. Thanks guys. Having a nice day.